And you could also go for pre-order and let customers buy this product before it's released or when it's out of stock. Since I am in the jewelry niche, I think this would be appropriate for me as my products are made to order. So mostly is they would have to pre-order, and then from there I would make the ring. So I'm gonna enable this. And now from here, as you can see, this product is currently in stock. It will be available for pre-order if you mark it as out of stock. Right there. So here in the pre-order message, you can now tell customers when this product will be shipped or delivered. So I'm gonna go for made to order. And I'm gonna go for shipping in 1 to 2 weeks, maybe something like that. I think that would be enough. And then you could add more details if needed in your case, but I think for mine, this is enough. And then you have the pre-order limit to limit the number of items available. Pre-order, start tracking this product's inventory. You could go for no limit, or you could limit your orders available for pre-order because maybe you don't have enough time to process too many orders at a time. So you could limit that. But in my case, I wouldn't limit it because I have enough time for that. And then you could learn how here if you'd want to limit your pre-order.